C.T. Ravi has been produced in a local court is what we're given to understand over this particular case. So clearly, as far as the case and the probe has intensified in this particular matter, so the day after the drama that ensued in the Karnataka Council, he has been produced in the local court. Deepak Bopanna, my colleague, joins me for more. Deepak, what's the latest that you can tell us?
Well, I'm standing outside the court where C.T. Ravi has just been produced, and I can confirm to our viewers the hearing has just begun. The lawyers on behalf of C.T. Ravi are saying that, the police had not even given him basic information about why they're arresting him, why they've taken him to custody, and more importantly, not even informed his family. Lot of protocols were violated, with the claim inside court as we speak. It's right now ongoing. A lot of drama, of course, has been ensuing over the last, 20-odd hours after that protest inside the Legislative Council led to this war of words between the minister and the MLC C.T. Ravi, and eventually, of course, a charge that he has made a very derogatory statement based on which an FIR eventually being registered. Yesterday, he's taken to one police station. There you see BJP leaders who arrived, then you witnessed protest, him being shifted from there, and then, him receiving head injuries, eventually going on to say that the police are trying to kill him. There's a threat to his life. He writes a complaint, and the police acknowledges that, but no case has been registered. So the BJP is alleging foul play. They are saying all of this is happening at the behest of Lakshmi Hebbalkar and D.K. Shivkumar, who also threatened C.T. Ravi inside the assembly premises, that there would be consequences to what he has said. As far as Mr. Ravi is concerned, he has claimed that he did not make any sort of derogatory statement. There's a video as well that is being released through unofficial channels by the Congress party of, the war of words that ensued inside the assembly where, this could be heard, or rather there's of course partial audio of, the derogatory term that was used against
Right,
Lakshmi
Deepak.
Hebbalkar.
In fact, as you pointed out, and also the chronology in which this has actually panned out, we'll continue to track that. But Deepak, for the moment, I'd have to interject you because that's all that I have the time for. But thank you very much for keeping us ahead. So clearly, big development as far as C.T. Ravi being produced in local court, but more importantly, like Deepak was putting into perspective, what else is panned out and those claims that have come through, we'll track that and a lot more. But for now, that's all I have for you in this edition of The Big Story.